सुन्दरि माधवि चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममयि मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुळवासिनि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देव सुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि आदिलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम्।
Advisor to Jerun GRC Heroes, Mr. David Ong PEM, MP for Jerun GRC, for gracing this occasion and for presenting the vouchers to the needy in view of Deepavali. And at the same time, we would also like to thank our advisor, Mr. G. Sundaram, for the sponsorship of the goodie bags for all the needy families. At the same time, we would like to wish all the Hindu residents a very happy Deepavali, which is coming next week on the 26th of October. Thank you very much.
वैष्णवी भार्गवी मन्त्रस्वरूपिणि मन्त्रमये सुरगण पूजित शीघ्रफलप्रद ज्ञान विकासिनि शास्त्रनुते भवभयहारिणि पाप विमोचनि साधु जनाश्रित पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि धैर्य लक्ष्मि जय पालय माम्। जय जय दुर्गतिनाशिनि कामिनि सर्वफलप्रद शास्त्रमये रथगजतुरगपदादि समानुत परिजन मण्डित लोकनुते हरिहर ब्रह्म सुपूजित सेवित तापनिवारिणि पादयुते जय जय हे
Thank you very much. I just want to say happy Deepavali to all of you. So may this festival bring a lot of happiness, peace and prosperity. Okay, so all the best to all of you.